Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to enable spicy mode on Grok AI. That's why you have need to first install updated Grok AI version. Open Play Store and install updated version of Grok AI. After install complete, you have to open Grok AI and sign up with your Gmail. Right here enable spicy mode. Before you have send it, you have to select 2000 birth year and then tap on continue. That's it. Now your Grok AI on spicy mode. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Tata.